Hey, I'm Mike, and today we're going to make an amazing face cream rejuvenator. Yes, you can buy these face creams and face masks and all that kind of stuff at the store, and you can spend a lot of money on this stuff. Do they work? Who knows? Some do, some don't. But if you make your own, you know exactly what's in it, and you know what's going on. And here's all you need. We need a cucumber. Yes. That doesn't work. Anyway, then we need, and we're going to use half a cucumber. We're going to use a half a potato, or if you just got a small potato, that's good. We're going to use a lemon. Yes, lemon is good. And then some organic yogurt. All I was able to find was this kid stuff, which is fine. And so, and then some real vitamin E. Make sure it's real vitamin E. I can't stress that enough. So let's start with, here we go. Let's cut our cucumber in half, because that's all we need. Half a cucumber. We'll put that over there. And you know what? Let's put that on the side. We're going to go with half potato. Could they afford a better knife? I don't know. So there's our potato. Then we got our yogurt. We're going to cut the lemon in half. And let me get this stuff peeled and going, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we got that done. Now we're going to cut up our cucumber a little bit. This looks too good to wear, doesn't it? Okay, let's put it over there. Okay, now we're going to throw this into this thing here, our blender. And we got our potato. Potato's pretty hard. Maybe I should have cooked this first. I don't know. So we now have our potato. We'll throw that in there. And don't worry about trying to write this all down if you want to do this for yourself. At the end of the video, I'll put all the ingredients back up for you and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so we got half a cucumber, half potato. We're going to go 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Don't buy the phony lemon, buy real lemon. I don't have a tablespoon, so I'm going to just squirt what I think would be 2 tablespoons. That looks like about 1. All right. And, all right, that looks like about 2. Now, you're supposed to use 2 tablespoons of organic yogurt. I'm going to just guess. Okay, that should be 1. That should be 2. We'll throw in a little bit more. Why not? Now, you got to put in some real vitamin E oil. 2 tablespoons. 1, 2, that's probably 1 tablespoon. 1, 2, that's probably 2 tablespoons. Vitamin E is so good, we're going to go a couple extra. Awesome. Now, we put the lid on our blender, and we're going to blend this stuff up and see what we end up with. I have actually never made this before, but someone told me that this is supposed to be amazing. Actually, several people have told me that. There we go. I think I put in a little bit too much yogurt. It's a little bit thin, but that's okay. Hey, you know. Okay. All right. There is your face rejuvenator cream. Now that's enough for a couple of nights. And this is really, all right, I made it too thin. So take it easy on the yogurt. Make sure to put in plenty of vitamin E. The lemon, maybe measure off 2 tablespoons and do it right. But anyway, there it is. And this is, go ahead and try this. Let me know what you think about this. I really want your opinion on this and how it worked. But here, I'm going to put the ingredients and how much to use at the end of the video so that you can do this correctly rather than making a mess like I just did. And let me know what you think. Hey, thanks a lot. If you have any questions or suggestions or comments, please let me know, and I'll see you tomorrow.